What is up, guys? We have a muscle that most people ignore, and I don't know why. I mean, every now and then you'll see somebody in the gym who's trying to work on their glutes, and they're working a member of the muscle group, but not the whole chain. This muscle group is your hip abductors. Your hip abductors lie on the outside of your hip right here. And there's four muscles that actually make up the group. You have your gluteus medius, you have your sartorius, your gluteus maximus, and your TFL, which stands for tensor fascia latae. It is the top of your IT band. This muscle group is so important for all athletes. Whether you're a gymnast, a lifter, a runner, a football player, a basketball player, a baseball player, anything you do, this muscle is so important. And the reason why, I'm going to show you right now. So if I'm standing, all athletes end up being on one leg when they're running, when they're jogging, when they're jumping. And the whole purpose of this muscle is to keep you symmetrical. That's my cat. So if I'm standing on one leg, I wish this was full frame so you'd be able to see a little better. But over here has to support me. This muscle has to contract. If not, it stays lengthened and I tip to one side. What muscle group do you think that is? That's my hip abductors. If this is weak, it has to contract to keep me upright. You don't see runners, every step they take, they tip to one side, then the other side. They stay nice and tight as they're running. It's the same with football players, soccer players, basketball players, all of the above. All right, now I'm in my kitchen, and you may be asking, how can I strengthen my hip abductors? I'm gonna show you with two simple exercises that you can do at home. I just have a yoga mat on my floor. Try to use a hard surface, not your bed, because your bed has some give to it. But all you wanna do is lay on your side. First one's gonna be called clam shells. So we're gonna bend both knees. You want your hips perpendicular to the ceiling. You don't want them tilting forward or tilting backwards. Knees are touching, feet are touching. All we're doing, lifting top knee, holding for 3 to 5 seconds, then slowly lowering. Lifting top knee, holding for 3 to 5 seconds, slowly lowering. That's exercise one. You'll want to do that on both sides. That's really targeting your gluteus medius over here. Arguably the most important hip abductor you have. The second exercise is just going to be a straight leg hip abduction raise. Same concept. Hips perpendicular to the ceiling. All you're doing, lifting up, holding for 3 to 5 seconds, slowly lowering. Really important to keep in mind with this exercise, you want to keep your toes facing forward the whole time. You don't want to have them face towards the ceiling because then you're just cheating yourself. Those are the two exercises that you can do at home. Again, do them on both sides. Just to give a roundabout number, you could do 3 sets, 10 to 15 repetitions. 3 days a week will be good for maintenance. Strengthen your hip abductors. They're important, they help prevent injury, and they're gonna honestly drive you to the greatness that you want to succeed in your sport. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I appreciate you. Thank you.